Hello students, let's continue our topic cell organism. In the last lecture we discussed about the cytoplasm. In this lecture we are discuss cell organelle. An organelle is a specialized subunit having specific function within cell. These are called organs of the cell. Each organelle has its own lipoprotein membrane. Except nucleus and chloroplast, all the other organelles can be seen only with electron microscope. Electron microscope is at the right hand side, the picture of electron microscope. Okay, what is the look of this electron microscope? In laboratory we are used the compound microscope. Now one by one we are discuss about the cell organelle, nucleus. Now here activity you have given, take a drop of water on a clean glass slide. Using an ice cream spoon, gently scrap the inner surface of your cheek with a needle. Transfer a little material from spoon to the water drop on the slide and spread it evenly. Now put a drop of methylene blue stain on the smear. Put a cover slip and observe under microscope. Did you observe the cells with blue nucleus? The dark round spot seen under the microscope while observing the onion peeling stained with iodine is the nucleus of the cell. When we are looking in the onion peeling of this experiment, you can see the center nucleus of the cell. Now come to on the page number 70. When observed under electron microscope, we can see nucleus covered by a double layered membrane with small pores. Look at the diagram of the nucleus. Nucleus having it is this one is a 3D diagram. These pores allow the passage center nucleus, then chromatin, nuclear pore outside. Just like a ball having a pore like structure is there. These pores allow the passage of material in and out of the nucleus. Nucleus has one round nucleolus and a network of chromatin fibers. Chromatin fibers are thin thread-like structures which condense to form short, thick chromosome at the time of cell division. Functional segment on chromosome are called as genes. These genes are carry the hereditary characteristic to the next generation. And this was the function of the nucleus. And also the first one is it control all the metabolic activity of the cell and also the cell division. You have to draw the structure of the nucleus in your notebook and write down the function of the nucleus. Now second one is the endoplasmic reticulum. That one is the ER. Look at on the diagram. Now this the organelle which conduct various substances inside the cell is called endoplasmic reticulum. Has a net-like structure. Look at here. It has a net-like structure consisting of interconnected miniature tubes. Look at there. There are the miniature tubes and sheets filled with fluid. These all the tubes and sheets are filled with the fluid. This is connected to the nucleus from inner side to plasma membrane from outside. Function. It is a framework that support the cell. Then conduction of proteins. Toxins that have entered the body through food, air and water are made water soluble by endoplasmic reticulum and then flushed out of the body. This one is the main function of our endoplasmic reticulum. Now what is the Golgi complex? On the next page there is the Golgi complex. It is made of, look at in the diagram, it is made up of 5 to 8 hollow and flat sacs placed to each other. Look at, they are placed parallel to each other. These sacs are called as the cisterine and are filled with different enzymes. Or endoplasmic reticulum are filled with the proteins. This Golgi complex filled with enzymes. The protein coming from endoplasmic reticulum are enclosed in vesicles which come towards the Golgi complex via cytoplasm. They fuse with the formation face of the Golgi membrane and empty their content in the cisterine. As they pass through the cisterine, they are chemically modified with the help of enzyme. They are again packed in the vesicles. These vesicles exit from the maturation phase and the cisterine work like a packing department that packs and distributes substance. Yes, whatever the protein coming from the endoplasmic reticular, it is come in the Golgi complex, and in the Golgi complex such type of enzymes they again add in the protein, and they are again packed, modified, chemically modified, and then again packed, and this packing department, the secretory vesicles you can see there, and again they are distributed the substances. Function, it is a secretory organ of the cell. It modifies short packing material, synthesize the enzyme, mucus, protein, pigments, and dispatch them in the various target like plasma membrane, lysosome, etc. It produces vacuoles and secretory vesicles. It also formation of cell wall and plasma membrane, lysosome. Now the next one is a lysosomes, is called as a suicide bags. Now, what happened to the agriculture waste after a few days when it is dumped in a compost pit? It is decomposed. Yes, and it is it is spoil, and it is then decomposed due to various metabolic activity in the cell. Organic waste is generated. There is also in each cell there is organic waste is generated, and lysosome digest the waste. That is these are, that means they are the wastage department. Lysosomes are simple single membrane and bound sac fluid digestive enzyme. Function, immune system के बारे में, it destroys viruses and bacteria that attack the cell. It's the main function of the lysosome. Demolition squads, it destroys worn out cellular organisms and organic debris. Yes, not only they destroy the viruses and bacteria, but also they destroy worn out cellular organisms. जो पुराने हो गए हमारे cellular organisms, उनको destroy करने का काम करते हैं. And also the organic debris, that is autolysis वाले. Suicide by, when a cell become old or is damaged, lysosome burst and enzyme digest their own cells. Now during starvation, lysosome digest stored proteins and fats. Yes, when we are starvation, during the starvation period, हम जब भूखे रहते हैं या कभी फास्टिंग करते हैं, देन लाइजोसम डाइजेस्ट स्टोर प्रोटीन, हमारे बॉडी में जो स्टोर प्रोटीन और फैट्स है उसको वो डाइजेस्ट करने का काम करते हैं. That is the main important cell organelles and their function. Now on the next period we are also discuss some more organelles in the next lecture. Till students, you do your homework and send to me till, and goodbye.